Hello everyone and welcome to my humble Kusina. For today, I will be sharing with you how I make our leftover rice into something fancy. And of course, we will do that the Michelle's Kusina way. So come on and let's start cooking. In a hot pan, let's pour our oil. And let's add in our minced meat. You may use chicken, beef, or pork, but this time I am using pork. I started with our minced pork because I will not be using fresh garlic this time. Saute the meat until it turns brown. Now it's time for us to add our soy sauce to give our chow fan a golden brown color. Then we'll just dump in the rest of our seasonings. Black pepper, Ginisa mix. Uncle Roger, I hope you know what Ginisa mix is.
Classic Asian seasoning. Okay, this one okay.
Garlic powder. Paprika to add more color to our rice. Just mix everything and I really hope that Uncle Roger will be happy with my recipe. By the way, do you know Uncle Roger? I have been talking about Uncle Roger. Then let's add in our bahaw or kaning lamig or our leftover rice. It is best to cook your rice the night before and keep it in the refrigerator. That way your rice grains will firm up, making it easier to separate and your rice won't be mushy. This rice right now that I am using is just refrigerated for a few hours, but it still works. When our rice is well mixed up, let's create a space for us to cook our egg.
Okay.
Just pour the egg and wait for it to firm up. Now we can add our chopped carrots and our kangkong. Just mix it well. And let's add in our liquid seasoning for more umami taste. Ewan ko na lang, Uncle Roger, ha, if my seasonings are still not enough. Umayos ka.
Oh, okay, that's pretty impressive. I give you that.
Then let's sprinkle our chopped spring onions. And we are done. This is best when eaten while it is still hot. We will have our chow fan today with fried lumpia. You can even eat it alone since chow fan is already a complete meal. Siksik sa go, grow, and glow. Oh, diba? Bongga! I hope you can try it at home too. And please like and subscribe. So that's it for now and see you next time.